Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install FFmpeg in your Windows 10 operating system. So, let's begin. Now to install FFmpeg, you need to first download it. So for that, just simply go to your favorite browser and in here just simply type FFmpeg download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this https ffmpeg.org is basically our first search result. So now just simply click on this download FFmpeg. So this will automatically going to redirect you to this official site of FFmpeg. In here you need to just simply scroll down a bit. This download link for Linux, Windows and Mac. So we are basically going to install this FFmpeg in your Windows 10 operating system. So in here just simply click on this Windows build from gan.dev. So just simply click on that. And this will going to redirect you to this codex FFmpeg page. In here you need to just simply scroll down a bit. You need to scroll down till you get this git. So here this is the link that we are basically going to click. So this https www.gan.dev/ffmpeg/builds/ffmpeg/git-full.7z. So we need to click on this link. So just simply click on that, and this will going to start downloading FFmpeg. I have already downloaded it, so just simply cancel it. And if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, our FFmpeg 2021-05-26 version has been rightly downloaded over here. We need to extract this. So for that you need to have at least one zip extractor software. In my channel I have already made a couple of videos, one about how to install 7zip software and also how to install this Winner. Currently I am using Winner, so I will be also putting those links in the description. So if you face any difficulty to extract this, then you need to just follow that link and you need to download that software and install it, and then again come back to this video. I have already downloaded Winner, so it's very easy for me right now. So all you need to do is you need to just simply right click on it, and then you need to simply click on this extract to FFmpeg 2021 over here. Just simply click on that, and this will automatically going to extract this FFmpeg over this folder, and you can clearly see it has rightly extracted over here. So if you just go inside that directory, you can clearly see this FFmpeg has been rightly extracted over here. So what I will be doing is just simply go a directory back, and I am just going to rename it to a sorted form. So just simply delete all other things and just simply give only FFmpeg, and then you need to just simply right click on it, then copy, and then you need to go inside this C directory, then just simply right click on it and then paste, so that we basically going to move this FFmpeg over our C directory, and you can clearly see our FFmpeg folder has been rightly copied over here. So now just simply go inside that folder, then go inside that bin directory, and now you need to just simply click on this address bar, and then just simply right click on it and then copy, then just simply minimize it, and then if you just simply click on this search icon and then just simply type environment, you'll be seeing this edit the system environment variable. So you need to click on this edit system environment variable, and this will going to open the system properties. In here you need to click on this environment variables, and then you need to click on this path, then edit, and this will automatically going to open this edit environment variable window. So just simply click on new, and then just simply right click on it and paste that path, that is this C/ffmpeg/bin. So you have rightly copied that path. Just now just simply click on OK, then again OK, then again OK. And now if you just simply go to your command prompt, and in here just simply type ffmpeg version, then enter, you will be seeing this prompt from your command prompt. So it's basically telling that FFmpeg version 2021-05-26 has been rightly installed on our machine. So in this way you install FFmpeg in Windows 10 operating system. So that's all for this video, friends. I have this website called geeky.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check our website geeky.com. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching.